how to create category on Outlook Microsoft. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to your Microsoft Outlook. This is the home page. Now go to the top right here, click on this settings option and go down, click on view all Outlook settings. Now it will take you to this page. All what you have to do is simple. Click on general and now you will have many options here. Click categories and click create category. Now add the name of the category and choose the color. After you finish, for example, test, and click save. Now we just added a new category. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.